This is just fantastic. Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this Adirondack chair that this brand sent to me for the video. And I gotta say that it's so cool because it's kind of like, it looks like wood. It's not wood. It's plastic, but it looks and feels like wood. But being plastic and looking so good means that this one, you're not going to have any issues but leaving this one outdoors. So that is really good because I had one before and was entirely was made of wood, and it says it was resistant to rain and hail and everything. It was kind of like 2 weeks that we had it back there where the pool is. And after that, like all the balls started to get like rusty and the wood got some kind of stain in the paint or something like that. So I do gotta tell you that having one that is plastic but it looks like this one, it is really cool. But then something that I found that is fantastic too is, besides the assembly process, the chair comes almost assembled. The only thing you will have to do is put the armrest and the legs, and that's gonna be pretty much it. I think it took me 15 minutes, no more than that. But then check this out. This one, it's fully and entirely foldable, so meaning that you can put it in storage if you need, just like this, and take it with you to different places if you have to, or just put it in the shed or in the storage and things like that, and making sure that you can put this one back as a chair mode, and that's gonna be it. Like I'm telling you, it looks like wood. It's not wood, but it looks like. And it's a pretty tall chair, by the way. It's like it's one of this was Adirondack, of course, but it's also really tall. You can see that I'm 5'10", and I can easily rest my head in this one. And that's actually super nice. And also the armrests are really wide. These are deep and wide, and these are not like fully kind of like straight. As you can see, it comes with a comb section over here. So if by any means you are a big person or something like that, you're not going to have any issues with the waist area here. And by the way, this one supports 350 pounds. So what can I tell you? 350 pounds weight limit, wide armrest, super nice and comb section, and wide for the waist as well. Foldable, entirely foldable, and super easy to assemble, and with a tall backrest. Yeah, I gotta say that this one is gonna be my chair for the summer. I hope it's yours too. Thanks for watching. Totally recommend. See you soon.